What's up, you guys? Today for Hailieween we are doing a quick transformation into Sam Manson from Danny Phantom. I'm first going in with the J.Cat Beauty Unicorn palette and using this purple highlight to highlight my cheeks and my nose. Then I'm going to dive into the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. I have been loving these little mini palettes from Huda for a bit now, and I love this purple one for this look especially. So I'm starting off with a matte purpley, almost sort of pinky purple magenta sort of situation, and just popping that right into my crease using a fluffy blending brush from Luxe Beauty. Pretty sure I'm using mostly Luxe brushes in today's video, just in case you guys are wondering. Then I'm going to go in with that deeper berry sort of shade, and I'm just going to pop that right into the outer corner of my eye. Purple eyeshadows are kind of weird, guys, so I was having a tough time blending some of these shadows out, but once I, blended my little life away, got carpal tunnel, I was very happy with how it looked. Next, I'm going to go in with that purple glitter shade, and I'm taking the Lancome Fix It Forget It spray just to get a wet brush so it's a little bit more sparkly and intense. And I'm just putting that right all over my lid. This shade is really pretty. Like, when it hits the light, it has like all of these like duochrome little sparkles in it, and it's so stunning. So now I'm just adding to my lash line what we did on the top of my eyeball. I'm just going in with that matte peaky magenta shade and then buffing it out a little bit with that deeper berry tone. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye because it would be pretty silly if I didn't. Now I'm taking my Juicy Couture liquid liner, and I'm just creating a small wing for today's look since Sam doesn't necessarily have winged eyeliner in the cartoon. I just feel more comfortable with winged eyeliner, so I wanted to make a small wing at least just so I feel a little bit more comfortable with the look. But now I'm just adding some mascara before we go in with falsies today, and I'm also taking that purple highlighter that we used on our cheeks and nose, and I'm putting that right into the inner corner of my eye as well, just for a little pop. For lashes, I use these Urban Decay Urban Lash singles on my bottom lash line, and I'm using a House of Lashes lash band on my top lashes, which I will link down below. For my lips today, I am lining them with this purple lip liner from Kat Von D, which I will also link down below for you guys. And then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Pandemonium lipstick. This was the driest lipstick I've ever used in my life, and I have dry lips, like I get it, but like this was the driest lipstick. It did not want to move at all. It was a struggle to put this on. But with that completes the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Let me know what you guys think. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye!